Hello everyone, my name is Tushar Wankhede and my partner's name is Rush Achrekar. We are studying in 11 Commerce C and our roll number is 50 and 2. Our topic is Industries in Goa. A type of industries. Goa has a strongly presented in fishing, agriculture, tourism and pharmaceutical sectors. The pharmaceutical, iron and steel industries are present in North Goa while mining and shipbuilding industries are present in South Goa. I have divided my topic in two parts, North Goa and South Goa. So let's come for North Goa. North Goa. Fishing industries in Goa. Fish is one of the most important natural resource of the world and holds great importance to the state of Goa, being an integrated part of Goa life and culture. It is considered as a staple diet for more than 90% of the population of Goa. Goa is best towards with coastline of 104 kilometers with numerous bays and headlands. The coastline itself area of extends to 10,000 kilometers to of about 100 factomed depth. Agriculture in Goa. Goa is tiny state located on the west coast of India, separated over in an area of 3,610 square kilometers. The state is frankly on the east by Sahyadri Mountains and on the west with Arabian Sea. The northern tip of Goa borders Maharashtra states while southern area is bordered by Karnataka state. Goa is rich treasury of biodiversity. The state of Goa was ruled by Portuguese for nearly 450 years till it was liberated in 1961. Tourism in Goa. Tourism is the backbone of the Goan economy, with 40% of population directly or indirectly depends on it. The sector has shown strong growth with total tourist arrival increasing from 2.3 million in 2005 to 7.8 million in 2017, an annual growth of nearly 11%. Pharmaceutical sectors in Goa. The pharmaceutical industries in Goa produces 12% of total medicine manufactured in India and about 70% of the products is exported to most developed countries in the world while 30% is consumed in the domestic market. Now I come to the South Goa, the second district of Goa. Mining in Goa. Mining in Goa is mostly concentrated in four talukas, namely Bicholim in North Goa district and Sakre, Sangam and Kepem in South Goa districts. Shipbuilding industries in Goa. Shipyard, shipbuilding companies. Goa Shipyard Limited is an Indian government owned shipbuilding company located on the west coast of India at Vasco da Gama, Goa. Thank you.